everyone, this is my first ever YouTube video, so I apologize if it's a little rough at all. I did just want to take a minute to introduce myself and my blog, Fourth Floor Flora, because I have had some followers in the past few weeks and I have absolutely no content uploaded at all yet, so just wanted to explain why I'm here. So, my name is Jessie and I am originally from a small town in the Georgian Bay area in Ontario, Canada. However, I moved to Toronto in 2013 to pursue an education and a career. After COVID hit, I was laid off from my full-time employment and I, for the first time in my life, had a minute to explore my own hobbies and interests. One of my lifelong inspirations was my grandparents' backyard vegetable garden. I was always super impressed by what they could grow themselves. As I grew older, I learned about how much of an impact the overproduction of food crops is having on our environment. And I figure by growing some of my own vegetables and herbs, I could at least reduce my footprint to that aspect. However, like so many others, I live in an urban space downtown and I have no access to land. I'm going to be using this blog as a means of documenting this experiment of growing crops in a 350 square foot studio apartment with only 2 windows. And perhaps to find a community to help myself and others who are in a similar situation and want to explore this endeavor. I also love making DIYs and I have found a lot of my projects have been plant-oriented, so I figured I could also use this space to share my favorite ideas and projects and hopefully to summon some more creativity into my life and maybe yours too. With all that said, I am currently filling the pages of my website and I can't wait to share what I've been working on with you. My blog should be ready to launch mid-June 2020. Please feel free to follow me if you think any of this would be useful or inspiring for you.